Hello friends, I have ordered Camel Artist Mop Brush. I have ordered it from stationery and I got this today. I was thinking of creating an unpacking video and probably a quick review of the brushes. Let us open it and see how is the packing and if the product is in good condition or not. Okay. It is packed in a good condition. It seems the packing is good, the product looks in good condition. So it says net quantity 5 numbers, 5 brushes, and the brush sizes are 0, 2, 4, 8 and 12, and it is 73 series artist mop brushes from Camel. Okay, I got it from stationery and let me open it. There is another packing inside and these are the brushes. Okay, 0, 4, 2, 0, 2, 4, 8 and 12 sizes. Okay. From the external appearance, the build quality looks really nice and it feels lighter, and the quality of the handle looks very good quality. It gives a premium look for the brushes, and this also looks good, and the quality of the fibers or the hairs, I don't know, we'll have to see it. So as far as their description, technical description, this is a synthetic brush and it is totally vegan brush. Okay, and as per what I could read from the description, it can hold a lot of water, it can carry a lot of colors, and it's a good quality synthetic bristles. Okay, so let us see how it looks, how it works on a piece of paper. Okay, I have kept the brushes into water for some time, maybe around 2-3 minutes, and I have taken it out now, and this is the condition at this point. Okay, so the point of the brushes look good, particularly the smaller sizes. It looks very pointed and it looks very soft also. See, the brush looks very soft, and it is not very, there is not much spring here, which for the mop and large brushes, which is good, and for the detail works it may not be good to have this much of softness, but for the detail brushes I think the smaller brushes will be okay, the smaller size brushes. Okay, so I feel that it is very soft and very pointed once it is put in water, and I'm happy with the way it looks as of now. Okay, so now we have to see how it works on the paper when we load it with colors. Okay, to test this, I have taken a small piece of paper, and here I'll be doing a wash. Maybe I'll be doing a flat wash here, and then I'll be doing some random brush works here. Okay, so let us see how does it work. For that, I have taken a little bit of Payne's gray color. So let us make some very watery mix of Payne's gray. Okay, so I'm taking out some water with the same brush, and let us take out some good amount of Payne's gray. I am thoroughly mixing it so that there is no thick pigments trapped within the bristles. Little bit more water. Okay, I think it is fair enough. It is thoroughly mixed. Okay, and I am fully loading the brush with the color. Okay, I am fully loading it with the color, and I wanted to see how long this brush can give the wash, how long it works before it dries out. Okay, so this is a small size paper. Okay, it is kind of an A5 size paper. Okay, and I'm getting very smooth wash. Okay, I haven't loaded the brush again, and I am still getting very good amount of very smooth color spread. Good amount of color is still left out. In a single load, I am almost able to get the wash done for an A5 size of paper. Okay, now I am running short of color now, as you can see, but it is, in my view, it is good. I mean, it loads good amount of colors. Okay, I could manage with a single loading. I could manage with a flat wash for the entire area of an A5 sized paper. So you might be finding some textures at this point right now. This is because of the paper is still wet. So there may be some kind of texture and other things of the paper which is playing a role. Otherwise, it is supposed to be very flat, and I am sure that it will dry very flat. Okay, let us see that when it dries. Okay, but the primary objective of this exercise was how much of paint this can be held by this brush in a single loading. So I think you got a fair idea of how much it can hold. Okay, this is number 12 brush. Okay, the biggest brush of this particular set. Let us take little bit more thicker consistency paint, and let me see how the detailing work can be done with this big brush. Okay, so I'm not fully loading the brush because I'm looking for the fine control part of it. Okay, this is number 12 brush, and I can get reasonably straight lines and thin lines, and to me it looks good. Okay, the kind of texture that it gives with the side of the brush, I'm pretty happy with what I'm getting. Okay. I'm getting some good control with number 12 brush. This is the biggest brush, so I'm able to manage a little bit of detailed work with the help of this brush. And anyway, as you can see, this is not supposed to be the used as the detailed brush, but I think I can manage to a certain extent. Okay, so which I am happy about. If you are using a little bit more thicker consistency paint, I'm able to get a little bit more fine control. Okay, I'm happy with it, the way the brush gives control. Okay, with the next size of brush, let me take out a little bit of red and Payne's grey mix. Okay, red and Payne's grey mix color, little bit of a grayish red sort of a color, and it is slightly thicker consistency. Here I wanted to understand smoothness of the brush. Okay, pretty happy with this. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how it works. I'm able to get good control of the edges, the smoothness of the small wash here, and I think this is fairly good. I would say it is very impressive. I would say. Very fine lines I am able to manage with the number 8 brush, which is really good. Now the next one I am going to check is number 2. And as I am going with smaller brushes, I wanted to use little thicker consistency. Okay, so let me take out little thicker pigment, and I'm giving some details. Okay, so maybe I'm making a figure here. A small brush, okay, small, very detailed sort of work. And let me make another guy here. Very kind of little bit of precise works I am looking for here. Dry brush works sort of thing. Very nice line works I can get. Very small lines, etc., which is really good. Okay, some detailed brushworks for the trees maybe. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this orange color directly from the tube using a number 2 brush. It works good for the sort of dry brush works also. Okay, it works good. It looks good. Now you can see that the wash also is dried a little bit flat. It is not fully dry. It takes a little bit more time. It's a little bit rainy outside, so it may take a little while to actually get it dried fully. The final conclusion is that I am happy with the behavior of the brush, the performance of the brush. It holds the big brush holds a lot of water, and the medium brush is also holding good amount of water, and the amount of details and the amount of the dry brush works, etc., I'm getting it reasonably good. Okay, it is so for the price I think we are getting it good. As of now, the hairs are not falling down. I just did very little bit of test now. Okay, I didn't use it extensively. So whether the hair fall will happen, the bristles will fall down after some time or not, that we can only comment once we use it for quite a long time. So as of now, I am pretty much happy with the behavior of the brush. Okay, so I hope this review was useful for you. Please do let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions, and I will take a look at your comments and make a note of it. So thank you very much, and we'll see you with another watercolor video. Bye bye.